So quite easy for myself or for DJ to forget the cost of ownership of a car.
Yeah.
Because we can fix ours
Sure.
most of the time on our own. But when you have a customer that comes in with a vehicle, you've got to understand their position quite quickly, because whilst we have a duty of care to our customers and to other road users to make sure all cars are safe, we cannot just go around doing people favours by saying, "Oh, don't worry about fixing that, it's fine."
Yeah.
So we're putting people at risk. And, we've seen it. We've seen it before with Range Rovers. Their suspension fails and it goes to the point where it fails completely and bang, and it's sat on the wheels and tyres.
Yeah, it's no good.
And people are driving them around like that, and then your tyres are catching fire. And, you can't. You just have to have an honest, open conversation sometimes. And if you can't afford to fix it, you can't afford to fix it.